Welcome dear student to this tutorial where I show you how you can use the platform and get the most out of this new adventure. Learn and be fluent in Spanish. Okay, let's go to the platform and I will show you how you can use it. The first thing you should to do is enter our page and click on Sign In. Once there, enter with your username and password. Now we are inside the platform where you can see your dashboard. The first things we have in view are the blocks, courses, and available resources that you have. Within each block or course, on the left side, the first thing we can see is a link to return to your dashboard. Below that, we can see the bar of your progress in the course. We can see that we have a space to search for specific lessons or model. Finally, we can see that on the left side we have the content column where you find all the videos, quizzes, audios and exercises designed for you. In the center, we can see the development of each class and lesson. On the right side, we can see a space to put the questions and that your teacher can answer you. Finally, in the final part of each lesson, we have the button to continue with the next lesson. Remember that we send you an email with each of the blocks that you have available in your dashboard according to the course you have purchased and how you can use each of them. If you have questions, please feel free to contact us in the email address below this video. Thank you very much and see you the next time.